You can use the Raspberry Reaper on a charcuterie, on a sandwich. You can eat it with your meats. Okay, this is on a piece of apple. Ooh. Okay, so yes, there it is. Okay, so the Raspberry Reaper, whew, feeling it, you guys, feeling it now. You can definitely see that my cheeks are starting to flush. So this one has Carolina Reaper in it. That is a hot spectrum style, but the way we have paired this ingredient with raspberry and apple, it's sweet and then the heat. It's like a 1-2 punch. It's like literally like a little bit of a ride. Like you get one flavor and then you get the heat and it's like, ooh, really love that one. It's gotten great reviews here. It's really quickly become our best and fastest selling product right here on TikTok Shop. Y'all can check it out here. A friend of a friend. Thank you. Let's get all the follows back. I'm going to get caught up really quickly here. And Randy, thank you again. I appreciate you. I hope you had a good holiday. Kaiser, Rocky, I got you back. In a G. Texas Grizzly Gaming, thank you for the follow. Douglas, welcome. Everybody who follows me will get a follow. Andrew, thank you. Yeah, I'm definitely feeling the heat a little bit, a friend of a friend. Yes, you can see that I got a little bit red and even my lips turned a little bit red. So that's that Carolina Reaper here. Definitely, if you're a hot sauce lover, check this one out. Antonio, thanks for the follow. I am going follow for follow with you guys. So if you follow me right now, I will follow you back. Cat Daddy, I am the hot sauce girl. Thank you, thank you. It's nice to meet a cat daddy. Appreciate you guys for all these follows and amazing comments. Thank you, Antonio. I'm so glad that we connected here. Definitely look out for me. I live stream every day, so we'll stay connected. Thank you for the follow. Slingshot, welcome. Daniel, I got you back right now. Thank you, Kaiser Rocky. Appreciate it. You guys, check out the showcase. Even if you can't, make any purchases today, just stay connected by saving them for later. That way, you're the first to know about the new gift sets. You're the first to know about the coupons, the discounts, the giveaways, all the special offers that are coming. And you can follow the business account at Homesteads right here on TikTok. Thanks, Antonio. Lou Lopez, thank you so much for adding to cart. The Raspberry Reaper is delicious. You're really going to love it. I'll sample it for you right now. There's no sugar added, but it is a sweet and spicy style. We achieved this sweetness literally by using fresh raspberries and apple. I love this. Now it is a hot spectrum style, so it's sweet and then spicy. Okay, let's go. All right. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Feeling it. You guys can see I'm starting to turn a little bit red. So I'm feeling the heat in the middle of my profile. And I got the sweet first. So it really has this delicious raspberry and apple flavor. But then it really creeps up on you with the heat. This tastes so good, though, with charcuterie, artisan style sandwiches like grilled cheeses or paninis. I was just sampling with the ham from the holidays as well. So turkey, ham, that kind of thing. It is good. Thank you, Soldier. Appreciate the follows, the reposts. I got you guys back right now. Spanky, thank you. Okay, so this Raspberry Reaper is what I was